All right, good morning. G'day, mate. Ripper. You guys all ready to go? Looking good. Got to tie my shoelaces before we get this party started. Don't want to trip on the dance floor. All right. While I run the B-roll, you click the like, huh? Let's go. So let me remind you that trading is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results, but please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Good morning. Welcome to Forex.Today. Today we will cover trade planning. Oh yeah, that's what we do every day. You're like, yeah, that's right. That's what we do. So, well, that's good. Well, we're going to have to do that. So today we will trade plan. Now, I will teach you how to trade plan, so make sure you ask questions or take notes. We'll do some technical analysis, some fundamental analysis, and all that kind of stuff. If you find that these webinars are helpful, please thank tradersway.com for being our sponsor and making this possible for you. They are investing into your success today, your future success. And then one day, if you do feel confident in your skills and you do want to trade real money as a Forex trader, perhaps Traders Way has earned your loyalty and respect, and you will pay that back by choosing them to be your broker. Tradersway.com. Download MT4, play some test trades on a demo account. You'll see the execution speed, you'll see the swaps, you'll see the spreads. Boom. Tradersway.com. La da 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 da. What happened to yens? Well, if yen goes down, it's risk off. If yen pairs go down, it's risk off. If yen pairs go up, it's risk on. Simple enough. All right, let's take a look. So oil has come back, hit our roll reversal, and dropped. Okay. Amazing, right? Take a look. Pretty standard, pretty straightforward. Bears are doing what bears are supposed to do. Bulls are doing what bulls are supposed to do. You'll notice last week's bottom was an M2 at a double bottom. Today's high, or this week's high, is an M3 at a double bottom or double top or whatever you want to call all that. So the way I look at it is, you know, the teams are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Okay? Cool, right? So you kind of want to stay out of the middle until it breaks out doing one thing or the other. Good morning, Jean-Guy and Jim and Luca. Okay, anyways. So it's sort of neutral at the moment. If you want to try to pick it up at 50 or 51, you'll probably have an opportunity today. So you can look at it on a smaller time frame. If you were going to pick it up, where would you pick it up? Just around 51, and that's where we are now. Up should be risk off, down, sorry, up should be risk on, down should be risk off. So it really depends on what your bias is. Gold has now made it to our resistance zone. So shields up, red alert. But trend is slowly continuing. And how about our buddy Bitcoin? Oh. Bounced on our price here for a little bit, and now has, how you say in English, reversed. So you got to be careful in here, right? So for a long time we had this up, 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 down, down, buy, up, 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 down, down, buy, up, 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 down, down, buy, up, 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 down, down. And last week this was a buy, and Friday did end up, and all of a sudden lower low, lower high, right? I think you'd have to play it as a bear or not as a bull. One of the two things. So the ribbon makes it easy to see a change in trend, huh? So this is a trampoline, 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 trampoline. Whoa. So now it's either an opportunity for bears to trade into the ribbon, or at least for bulls to take a break. Well, remember, it's not going to tell you bullish or bearish per se. That's for your analysis. So back here on a higher time frame, okay, you can see that a bull might want to start buying it back. Okay. See how that works? Okay, so it comes down to whether you are a bull or a bear on this time frame. In a smaller time frame. Okay. See? La 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 la. Kiwi Swissy. Right in the middle of the range. Label. Label. All right. So, if you're a bull, you want to take a look at that as potentially a role reversal. Okay. If you're a bear, stop selling. Okay. And the resistance is really up higher. Okay. So you can see you don't want to sell here anymore. I think what a bear would be doing here would be sort of this. Okay. So the way I think of it is I always think of this as being in a range, right? So if this is old support, for example, then it's going to do this forever. Okay. With a bias, right? Since my bias is bearish, I'm going to think eventually it's going to break down. Okay. So now that we've established this resistance, I'm going to manage my stops here. So this one, I'm going to move. If I can grab it. Hello. I'm going to move it to 150 is too much. So that's 150 pips. So I'm going to lock in. I'm going to lock in 133 pips profit on that one. And this one I'm going to lock in, I'm going to lock in the full 200. because I can get 200 on this, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So I got 200 pips, worst case scenario in this one, and 133 pips on that one. What do you stink? High five, eh? High five? That's how you do it. The pips, boss, the pips. Yeah. Coolio. Well played, sir. All right. Yeah. Cool. Beast. Let's flip. Let's go to... What should we do next? Yens. I guess you guys want to do some yens. Let's do some yens. Let the winners run, yeah. Okay. So this one, I was in once or twice. Looks like I've busted out at break even. Wah, wah, wah. All right. So I want to get rid of the trade plan. So let me just kill it. La 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 la. Should have been down here anyways, right? So I bought it here, didn't work out, broke even. Crimea River should be down here, of course, or I should be here, of course. So it's one of these things. If it worked out, I would have been a hero. Like, oh, see how easy it is. This one, because the entry was mediocre, I didn't get the results I probably should have gotten. Or the risk management was awesome and I got out before a major loss. So this is taken off. We're below the M2, so I'm going to move the stop on this one from 100 pips profit to, I guess just like the other one, 133 pips. Let's see, come on. There we go. All right, so the worst I can do is 133 pips profit on that one. Just riding the 21, baby. Ride the 21. So I got that one. That one worked out. La, la, la. So you'll notice it's an out of position trade, so I'll be bailing on it soon, but not quite yet. Beast, mediocrity, sort of all over the place. I'm looking at it from the higher time frame first, like we have an S as a bottom. This is not quite the central. So it looks like it's playing weekly more, right? Weekly M3, weekly M1, counter trend, back up to the M3, all the way back to the M2, up to an M3. So it's just bouncing M3 to M2 to all over the place, all over the place. So if it is going to go north, that's the general plan, right? And then, of course, that is resistance. Okay. There are bears here, as you can see, and their plan is to keep it low. So, yeah, Pro Trader says rangy. Yeah, I get you. That's why I'm sort of not that interested. Reckless says, can you explain the volume entry thing with MT5? I don't volume entry anything. Wrong guy, Reckless. Cool. Let's move to Kiwi. Okay, again, sort of all over the place. This is on a 30-minute chart, super way up and then down, okay? Then you kind of had an opportunity to day trade a little bit with mediocre results, and now it's taken off again. And It's just very inconsistent, sort of sputter, and then it's almost like manic depressive, right? Super hot, super cold, super hot, super cold, and then, super hot, nothing, super cold, nothing. It's really hard to catch. It's not really a trend. Okay. Was that right, Reckless? I don't. Neato. Hazi yen 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 yen. So where are we on this one? We have established M3 as a top and trying to hold it to the downside with a weekly M3 as a top through the M2. That gives me permission to move my stop. So I will lock in not quite 200. Yeah, I'll do it. All right, so I got 200 pips locked in on this one. Worst case scenario, 200 pips in the pocket. So what is that locked in right now then? Was it 200, 133, 133, 200? So 4, 5, 6. What is that, about 650 pips locked in for the day? Boom! Sorry, man, I must be tired. Just doing my best. 660? So, nah, I didn't. Really? All right, how about this then, Luca? $650. Nice. All right, so let's look at it, some exotics. All right, USD Mexican peso. Hit the target again. Keep hitting the target, huh? So this is a carry trade. I could move this. Now, it's not going to give proper pips, right? Because look at this. I could lock in, well, I guess that's about right, 100 pips. But it's only 50 bucks, right? So it's like 50 pips. I'm looking at dollars instead of pips. That gives you probably a better idea. So I could lock that in, but this is a carry trade. So I'm happy just earning the carry. I think I estimated this at 200% a year. Okay. So, you know, I'll lock in some profit. I'll lock in 50% return on investment. Okay, right there. So I've just locked in 50% return on investment and collect, if I can stay in it, I'll collect 200% a year in interest payments. I kind of like the income. So Luca, you can count that as 50 pips, even though it's more in pips. We don't care about pips. We care about dollars, really. So we'll lock that in. So now we're at 400. Yeah, plus interest. Cool. Let's move to Eurozar. This has always been a challenging pair. When it works great. When it doesn't work, it doesn't work great. So we're really stuck. You see how this is on the daily chart. Look at this, huh? Like, we're really stuck. I'd almost do this one this way. Okay. Of course, we want to be short this. So there was a good entry at the beginning of the month. My swing traders just love it when I say things like, on the first hour of the first day of the month, right? Monthly M3. You know you're a bear. You can only be a bear. There's no way you can buy this. You can only sell it. So at the first minute of the first hour of the first day of the month, boom, right? And then on the first minute of the first day of the new week, you're a bear. You're at M3, right? So anyways, so now we're kind of here. The idea is hopefully it continues this way, right? And then breaks, maybe. So those are day charts, right? So you'd have to want to day trade this, for example. So one way of doing this is boom, boom. All right. And maybe this will be a good example later. All right, do I want to be a bull or a bear? Sorry, I got up super early. I should probably coach with my eyes open, right? My eyes were closed right there. They felt so good. Like, oh my God. Anyways, am I a bull or a bear? I don't even know who that is. Oh, the one you emailed me. Yes, I have it, but I haven't watched it. But you made your point, right? Like, don't make me say that I told you so, right? But yeah. But I haven't watched it, but I get the idea. So I'll look at it. All right. Cool. So I might use this in my presentation today. We're doing part 2 of the day trading course today. So if you're interested in getting the day trading course, it's part of the swing trading group. If you're in the swing trading group, there's no further fee. Just join the swing trading group. The video for day 1 is already in the swing trading group member zone. So, and then into part 2 today, we are releasing this template amongst other things as well. Yeah, Reckless. Yeah, you can. All right, so let's go back into this. Market conditions are not favorable. That's it. It starts at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Yes, I do, Reckless. Just Bitcoin at the moment. Yeah. So today, people in the day trading course will get the day trading framework printout. They'll get their chart checklist. They'll get the biased EA pivots, and they'll get their day trading template. And that is for MT4 and MT5. Let me double check. Day 2 bonuses. So channels MT5. Where's the MT4 channels? I'll have to look at that. Then the day trading templates, with checklists, and the strategy checklist MT4, strategy checklist MT5. So I'll have to find the channels MT4. So I got them somewhere. Plus the framework. So today is a big day, baby. Today's a big day. So anyways, I'll move on. I look at this and I want to be a bear. I can't trade yet. I think I lost my template with the... So that's it. I don't have a day trade at the moment. Did I just kill that? Euros are. Okay. So I wait. I'm not quite there yet. And then Euro, Turkish Lira. I still have 100 bajillion pips on this. And I'm worried that this is going to act bullish. So I got my eyes on the prize. I can see the support, obviously. Not really bullish on Euro. And I'm not really bullish on Lira either. But I have enough. And of course, at 1,000% a year return on investment. This is actually what you want, guys. You don't like these upward moves, obviously. But sitting around like this Euro Turkish Lira hasn't done anything for a month. But I collect money every day. Okay. One standard lot. Okay. One standard lot pays $30 a day. One mini lot pays $3 a day. You're like, well, what does that mean, Wayne? What does that mean? Well, you only have $100 invested in a mini lot. So you're earning 3% return on investment every single day, 7 days a week. Dude, think of that. What if you owned the stock market and it went up 3% a day, day after day after? 3% is a good day in the stock market. It's a great day in the stock market. Except the stock market goes up and down, and averages out. This is every single day without fail. You are guaranteed 3% return on investment every day, no matter what. Good day, bad day, up day, down day, sideways day, holiday, doesn't matter. You get paid. Like, oh my God, right? Yeah, Lucas, that's amazing. Of course it's amazing. So I love planting those seeds. I love planting those seeds, man. Hopefully you'll get it one day. You'll wake up one day and you're like, I get it. That's pretty powerful, man. That's pretty powerful. How powerful is it? One standard lot pays you $10,000 a year. One standard lot pays you $10,000 a year plus pips. Plus pips, dude. You can make one trade. And be up tens of thousands of dollars. Amazing. Yeah, Mr. Heifeld, why don't they? All right. La 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 la. Okay. By the way, my coffee just tasted terrible. Wow. Metallic or something. Tastes like the paint just came off. Ugh. Yeah, so I already did gold, I already did oil, I did Bitcoin, I did some yen pairs, I did some exotics. Um, I got this terrible taste in my mouth now. So I know it was a quickie, but I'm gonna call it. That was a quickie. I covered enough. I did dollar. I did a couple of dollar pairs. I did a bunch of exotic pairs. I did gold, oil, Bitcoin. I did yen pairs, USD CAD. Well, I showed you dollar euro, and I showed or euro dollar, and I showed you CAD yen. So you should be able to figure that out. But all right, I'll tell you what. I'll do Aussie dollar and I'll do USD CAD. How about that? Right on, Mr. High Volt. Yeah. Let me just bust this out quickly. What do you want me to talk about? Gee whiz. What do you want me to talk about? So funny. All right. All right. We're at support. Probably shouldn't sell. Guys are so funny. All right. Well, I would say there's a prevailing trend to the downside, but you can't sell here. So if you're a bull, you might want to look for a reversal pattern up. Cool. All right. Very interesting. USD CAD. And let me change this just because it moves the watermark. Oh, we don't want to be on DKK. La 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 la. What? Oh, there it is. Ma 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 ma. All right, not kicking off any weeklies. Not where's the monthlies? It's not doing anything interesting. Looks boring to me. I'll try to do some sort of technical analysis, but it's not set up in any interesting way. Maybe if it turned bearish here. Yeah, it doesn't look interesting to me. Yep. Cool. Hopefully that was helpful. There are two mediocre trades. At least Aussie dollars at least respecting pivots, and if you're a bull on it, is on a bottom. So now you could create reversal patterns and short-term scalp trades and day trades up, and then catch dips and maybe turn it around. But Dima says dollar strong today, but in this case, like, it's not kicking off any interesting pivot. It's not set up on a monthly basis, so you just have some relative strength today, but there's got to be something better than that, right? Yeah, so the fact it's going up is always irrelevant to me, right? If you're a bull, you would have already bought it. If you're looking for bullish setups. But the thing is, I don't see a bullish setup. So I don't think a bull took it. That's more interesting to me. The fact that it's up now is irrelevant. What am I going to do next? Well, where would a bull buy it? And that's not going to happen in the next couple hours. There's no safe place to properly do it. There's no foundation. So I get it. Like, you're building a skyscraper, great, but there's no foundation. So keep building it high, but don't be shocked if it falls down. Right? Right. CAD influenced by oil. So what you see here isn't the actual thing that's happening. So Anyways, that's why I see the mediocrity and I just say, you know what, I'm not interested. Don't even, there's nothing there. Okay? There's nothing there. Maybe there'll be something tomorrow, but not today. Cool. Well, I will see you guys later. Sorry it's short, but I don't know. I got up early. I'm tired. I feel weird. I have a back coffee went bad. And then, of course, for those that are in the swing trading group, I'll see you for the day trading course at 11 a.m. It's not too late for you to join. It's swing.fxbootcamp.com. It's not a lot of money. Oops. Okay. So in that, you get the swing trading course and the day trading course. Okay. Plus a month of swing trading too, right? So there's a lot going on for a small amount of money. It's not a big investment. I spend more on my textbooks for one class than that whole thing. Right? So shouldn't be a hindrance. All right. Peace on earth. May the pips be with you. May your profits be above average. And make sure you thank Traders Way by visiting tradersway.com and opening up a demo, okay? Pay it back. Show some respect. Peace on earth. May the pips